my god, they're literally exactly the same.
You're wrong. Too Faced. How are you doing this? Hey guys, it's me Sylvia back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. So we have the infamous Daisy Marquez here.
Oh, I haven't seen Sylvia in forever.
We love you. We collabed on her channel literally too long ago.
Yeah.
Like, why did it take
We procrastinate so much.
We ended up having to scrap the video we did for my channel, and it took us forever just to refilm it. So here we are now, finally able to refilm it with a new, better idea. If you haven't seen the video we have on Daisy's channel, make sure you go check it out. I'll put the link right in the description.
We did a what's in my mouth challenge, and it was freaking hilarious.
She played me for sure. What is that? Daisy! I'm choking!
I hate pudding. I hate pudding. It expired in March.
Bitch, I know. So today for my channel, we are going to be testing Daisy's beauty knowledge and product knowledge by giving her one real makeup product and one fake makeup product, and she's going to have to decide which one is the real and which is the fake, because as you guys probably know, if you've seen my previous testing fake makeup videos, the fake makeup looks legit. Like, even I was confused and I had bought the fake makeup. It's confusing. They look so real. So we're going to see if Daisy can figure it out, but without further ado, let's get right into the video.
I'm ready.
All right,
hit
are you
me.
Ready? I'm really worried you're gonna get them all right away. Okay, wait,
I hope I get them right, because if I don't, then I failed at life.
So the first product is the BECCA Shimmering Skin Perfector in like their limited edition color here.
Oh my god, they
show
both
the people.
Kind of weigh the same.
Show the people. Don't mix them up between your hands because I literally will have no idea. Open. You can test them. You can swatch.
I already know which one is the fake one.
No, you don't.
I definitely know which one is the real. I already knew this one was the fake one. You wanna know why I knew?
Why?
Because this one is so scratched up from the packaging. The sticker is like placed halfway where it's supposed to. Okay. And the BECCA ones usually don't have like the foil look, and this one is more foily.
Yeah, it's more like shimmery.
Yeah, this was more like a matte foil, and this one's straight up just like a foil.
Wow, I'm actually very impressed that you got that right away. They're even like the same size almost.
They are. I know, they look exactly the same.
Next.
Hit me. Imagine you actually hit me. Sylvia Gani hits other social media influencer Daisy Marquez and knocks her own content.
Let's start some fake drama for the views. Just kidding.
Why do I hear some pumping over there?
Because I'm trying to make them both look dirty like the same, because that's how you clock the last one.
Yeah.
The next one is the Benefit Roller Lash. Here you go. Touch, play, feel. What do you think?
Oh my god, they all feel exactly the same.
Tell us your thoughts. She's like focusing so hard.
I'm focusing so hard. I'm looking at the formula. I feel like the formula will differ. Oh my god, they're literally exactly the same. Oh, I can tell.
What?
I can tell by the one, because the Roller Lash has a little curve, and this one is just straight up like, this is the real one.
How are you doing this, you magician?
Because like, this is the fake one, first of all. In the packaging, this one, the little holes are like really indented, and this one, it's not like. The printing on the packaging is fading on this one. This one's more vibrant. That's how I could tell. Plus because of the wand, because I love the Roller Lash.
Wow, you can get nothing past Daisy. Whoa. I feel like if you weren't a beauty guru that literally did this for a living, you would have no idea.
Yeah. Moving on.
Okay, are you ready for the next one? The JUVIA'S Lace Palettes.
I'm laughing because I already know. You can tell by the size.
Yeah, I mean, this one's pretty obvious.
Let me investigate though.
You need to investigate. How do you really know? Maybe they changed the size. Maybe.
I know because of the printing. The printing gives it off. You see how this one's like more vibrant and this one looks just dull. Let me look at the formula though. Also because it just takes $50.
Oh shit.
Sylvia, how dare you disrespect this palette like this?
I know. I did it to this one too though to try and throw you off.
Let me see the formula. Let me see. So the color difference, you can tell. This one's like a light blue.
Yeah.
This one's like straight up baby blue, but actually the formula on the fake one is not that bad.
Really?
To be honest.
Ooh.
No, that's what kind of makes it dangerous.
Fake makeup is scary.
Yeah, especially because it can be hazardous. Did you know that red eyeshadow is illegal? Because the pigment is so rich, it'll stain your eyelid. You have to actually put a warning in the back of the packaging saying that it's not safe for eyes.
So a quick PSA, do not buy fake makeup because you never know what's in it. It's dangerous. I purposely went out to go buy this fake makeup for the purpose of this video, so I just don't recommend actually applying it on your face.
Yeah, you can see the difference though. This is the real palette, and then these are the fake ones.
All right, well, we have yet to deceive you. I thought I would get you with at least one. I'm trying so
It's okay,
hard.
we still have more.
All right, before I give you the next two products, we gotta quickly, bam, show off our new merch. We got the S Club hoodies on.
Literally so cute.
Show them the back, honey. Show them the back. Oh, oh. twins. Go
This
ahead.
is so soft, you guys. The material is amazing. You have to cop it.
Oh.
If you're a flower and you came onto your channel to see this, you definitely need to cop this. It's so soft.
Oh, we love a supportive best friend. Thank you. Thank you so much. How cute are we in our matching hoodies?
I know.
Go to the link in the description. Your girl just dropped merch and it's selling like a god church if you're a Jake Paul.
So you did not just
Yeah,
say that.
I did.
We cannot be friends. Bye as I am leaving.
Give me my sweater back though.
I'm taking this
She
sweater.
stole it. She stole it. But yeah, anyways, let's move on. Next product, we have a Too Faced liquid lipstick.
That one might be tricky.
Show the people.
So this is what it looks like.
She knows already, I can tell.
I know already just because the Too Faced has their printing like 3D. This one's flat. It's just like a plain on sticker.
But how do you know? Maybe.
Actually, you're right. Let me test it out. It's definitely creamy. This is the one I think that's real. I swear to God, if I wake up with bumps. Oh my God. Actually, wait.
Oh, now she's confused. Now she's second guessing herself. Maybe we found the one to actually trick you.
No. Actually, okay, let me swatch.
Swatch. Whoa, they actually look the same.
Oh, actually, no, yeah.
Oh,
I'm
that
right.
one looks a little crusty.
This one looks crusty.
Look at me
one.
helping her.
I know.
It's because I'm actually confused too. I'm like, wait,
This
which one is
this looks like those applicators that when you go into Sephora and you're testing out products, and then this one is more fluffy and has like a curve to it. That's how I know. Also because my warm finger took off the printing off of the sticker
already?
Yeah, look.
Oh my God.
So this is the fake one. This is the real one. Fake makeup 0. Daisy 5.
Next up, we have the Studio Fix Fluid Foundation from MAC. Here you go.
Oh my God, they both feel the same.
And they're different shades. I didn't want to get 2 of the exact same shades because I feel like that would give it away. Because usually the fake foundations are off with the shades.
They actually look identical. Oh, actually, take that back. No, you know why I know this one's the real one, this one's the fake one? Because real makeup usually puts the expiration right here. This one says 24M, which means this foundation is only good for 24 months. And it's illegal to not put that on the packaging because let's say you use it past 24 months, then you will have some skin issues. This one does not have that. So this is fake makeup.
You said this one's fake?
Yeah.
You're wrong.
What?
Yeah.
No way! I was trying to, I went off. I was like, yup, I'm
You
mad.
started to convince me. I was like, wait. Did I give her the-
No, it is true though. They're supposed to put that. Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Look at this f***ing sticker is like coming off. And this one's like extra dirty because I used to use it.
I'm so confused right now.
Because look at how disgusting, like, it's like separated and shit. It's not even filled up all the way.
That was still true what I said.
Yeah,
so
she gave you a little makeup lesson, but I'm glad you got one wrong.
Dang, I was preaching so
If they can
hard.
trick you, wow, no one's safe. No one's safe.
Yeah, that one got me, to be honest. That one did hit me.
Next one is the Too Faced. Every time I'm saying the name of these, I mess it up. The Too Faced Sweet Peach Palette. Take a look, see. We've got both of them there. Show the people.
This is the real one. This is the fake one.
Whoa, already?
Yeah.
Sniff, sniff.
Oh, yeah. This is the real one. This is the big one. This one smells like baby powder.
Fake makeup always smells so
It smells
disgusting.
like they just grabbed food coloring and baby powder and mixed it.
It smells like kids makeup.
Wow, that just added more highlight to my nose. No,
not
actually,
contaminate
have you
it with
tasted
your
the
boogers.
shadows? They're supposed to taste like peach.
You're lying to me. You're just trying to get me to taste. Oh my God.
It tastes like peach, I swear to God.
I'm not afraid to taste this one
I
because
swear
it's
to God.
the real one, so. Whoa!
It tastes like peach.
Why are they trying to get people to eat makeup? Okay, we
It
don't
tastes so
recommend
good.
eating the palette, but whoa, it actually does taste like peach. All right, so you had a little hack for that one. Somehow you knew that the eyeshadows tasted like peach, so.
I accidentally was curious one day.
Is that how you found out for
Yeah.
real?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay, yeah, fake, real. She clocked it. Smells different. Amazing. Good job. At least we got you with one, honestly.
The foundation one I was so like preaching about. I literally thought that I was like, all right, this one's gonna make me sound smart AF and everybody's gonna go subscribe to my channel, but no. I guess not.
They'll subscribe
Maybe
out of
next time.
pity. Okay. All right, next up we have a lip
The
product.
microphone's off.
Shut the hell up. Oh my God, you actually, my heart sank. Last time we filmed, the microphone stopped working halfway. Anyways, thanks for making me have a heart attack. Next up, bam, we have the Tardis lip paint. I mean, they're not the same shade or anything, but I'm trying to throw you off, so which one's fake? Which one's real?
This one's fake, this one's real.
You
I
wanna
know.
at least pretend you don't know, like you're pissing me off now.
I know because Tarte never prints out Tarte fat like this.
How do you know that? Who pays
Look.
attention to that?
I pay attention to detail because I'm a Libra.
I am a Libra too.
Yeah, I know.
But I literally cannot pay attention to detail at all.
Well, I knew. Sorry, sis. Next.
Next up is a very popular palette.
Huda Beauty?
Yes.
I've actually never tried out her products, so I might not know this one.
You've never?
Oh, actually, I tried out her little square ones, but I didn't like them. Gave them a bad review.
I didn't like them either. I gave them a bad review too. Anyways, the
desert-
rose gold palette. Anyways, go ahead.
Bitch, you should have at least tried. I can tell which ones you've used.
I tried to clean it up a bit.
Yeah, well, this one's definitely fake. This one's definitely real.
Show the people.
You went in on this poor palette. You used and abused it. Let me clock the formula
But-
real quick. Oh my god!
Oh, are those supposed to be the same shadow?
They are, but you can easily tell that this one is the real one just because it has like a reflect to it. The other one doesn't really, but the formula on the fake one is actually pretty bomb. Oh my god.
Oh.
I'm shook.
Here,
right
test
now.
it against the real one. Top is real, bottom is not real. Crazy though how these fake makeup products can like actually perform pretty well though. You would think it was real, right? If you knew nothing about makeup.
Yep.
It's pigmented. Are they called the same
So
thing?
pigmented.
Well, if you're asking me, this one definitely looks more fake because you can see the screen is like kind of like bent. It's like plastic.
Yeah, it's literally plastic. That
Where
one's
this
like more
is like,
legit.
yeah, it's
like
way
hard
more legit.
plastic.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And it's just a lot smaller. All right, ready for the next one?
Wow,
You're
what is
gonna-
it?
You're gonna get this one.
What is it? Let me see it.
I'm annoyed.
Let me see it.
It's MAC liquid lipsticks. Here you go.
Sylvia.
Honestly, I'm embarrassed to show you these ones, but
Sylvia, you tried it.
remember when there was like a viral picture of like MAC lipsticks with this cap going around?
I don't remember.
And they were like all nude and they were so beautiful, but they ended up being fake.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, obviously this one's fake. This one's real. But I like the packaging of this though. They should do that.
Yeah, they should. I really feel like, especially since I have so much MAC lipsticks, I
Yeah,
can
and
never go through
Same
them.
as I literally have to look at each shade.
Yeah, and I feel like I never use them because of that reason. It just takes so long. What else is different about these? Smell that.
Oh my god, that smells
Right?
like nail polish or something.
Oh my god, that made my throat itchy. Smell the real one. Smells like vanilla.
Yeah.
The fake one has a doe foot applicator and the real one is more of like a diamond shaped paddle brush. So that's another way to know.
Clocked it.
Clocked it.
Are we like the new Manny and Jeffrey just repeating each other?
Oh my god, we are.
I know. I'm like clocked it.
Clocked
So
it.
pigmented. So pigmented.
All right, so for the last product, I only have one product and you're gonna tell me if it's real or fake.
Oh shit.
Just because I can't find the other one.
Okay. This is gonna be tricky. Okay.
Maybe I should have done it like that, just giving you one product the whole time. Because looking at them side by side is so much easier, isn't it?
Yeah, you should have given me one by one.
Let me know if you want me to do a round 2 of this video with somebody else.
Yeah,
and
that's
do it
no
that
makeup.
way.
Yeah.
Here we go. One product. What is it? Real or fake? It's a Fenty lip
Fake.
balm.
It's fake because they printed the Fenty so thick.
Who pays attention to that?
I do, and the wand is like those regular basic wands. The Fenty Beauty gloss,
Yeah.
it's kind of like sticky and like it has like a sheen to it, kind of like the body lava.
That's what gives it away. Is like
This
it
was
doesn't
straight
have
up just
any
like
sparkle in it.
Yeah, it's just like a matte, and the printing is off.
So you only got one wrong. I'm very, very impressed.
Thank you, thank you.
Good job. All right, you guys, so those are all the real and fake products that I have for Daisy to test out. A huge thank you to you for coming on my channel. We love
for
her.
having me.
We're becoming best friends, so expect to see her very often on my
know, mine
Insta
too.
stories, everything. And don't forget to go check out the video we did for her channel and subscribe, of course, to her channel. If you guys love my videos, you're gonna love her videos. There's no doubt about it. And if you want to match us so we can all be twins, make sure you go cop the S Club merch, link in the description. We're very, very excited about it. And of course, we're gonna be wearing it every day. You're gonna wear it every day?
Yes, I am.
You better.
Ready to sleep and shower.
Of course. But that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel and then click this button to make it easy and subscribe to Daisy's channel. And then we have a couple of other videos right here for you to continue watching. See you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah. Bye.